Morning, children. Today we will do the chapter number 3 of our literature book. Name of chapter is Fair Play. This story is about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship or enmity. Now read the first paragraph. There were two great friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry. Their friendship was very strong. They looked after their families of each other. Zummanan had some property. She said that she would transfer her property to him if he agrees to take care of her. Now the next page. After a few years, she was not properly taken care of and she was insulted in many ways. When her patience crossed her limit, she spoke to her nephew and demanded a monthly allowance. Zuman refused to do that. She decided to take her case to village panchayat. She discussed the story with the villagers, but they did not reply. She demanded Algu Chaudhry for help. She was in great confusion. Now the next one. She called the panchayat and nominated Algu as her head panch. Zuman was confident that Algu would not go against him. Aunt convinced him for the case. Now the next one. Algu was nominated as head punch by the aunt. Algu heard the argument and cross-questioned Juman as well. Later, Algu announced the judgment in the favor of aunt. Juman felt that betrayed as he thought Algu would consider his friendship. So their bond of friendship was broken and enmity was developed between them. Now the next one. After a period of time, Algu faced a difficult situation. He sold one of his bulls to Sahu, a cart driver of village, because his other bullock died, with the understanding that payment would be made in a month's time. To his ill luck, the bull also died within a month's time. And when Algu asked for the payment, he denied as the bull died in 1 month's time. Algu took the case to Panchayat. Sahu was asked to choose a head Panchayat. Sahu proposed the name of Juman, and Juman were looking for a chance to take the revenge. Next one is, on the day of hearing, Algu and Sahu put forward their case. They were interrogated deeply. Juman stood up and said that Sahu should pay the price of bullock to Algu. Algu cannot be blamed. Algu proclaimed that the voice of Panch is the voice of God. Now the last one. Algu embarrassed his friend and wept, and his tears away all the dirt of misunderstanding with them, and they became the friends again. Now I think you are able to understand the story very well. Now read the story again, and if then you have any query, you can ask me.